Hello dear beautiful people, welcome to my another new brand practice session. Yeah, this is practice session. I'm not a good speaker at all. So each and every single day I gotta practice, and like this way I gotta improve myself. So in this new session and in this early morning, this is Chandan Roy is speaking in front of you. And I'm a crazy learner. So that's why each and every single day I'm trying to practice my spoken English. And right now I'm here on this rooftop. This is our building rooftops actually. So I can come here easily. And in this morning time the weather is really calm and cool. And as you can see, the sky is little bit cloudy right now, and it may rain anytime. And this place is just next to the Shitalka river. That's why you get the fresh air all the time. And the bank of the river is always peaceful and enjoyable. So whenever I come here, I feel more fresh, more energetic, and more strong and more powerful. So in this new session, I like to share new things with you, and that I always like to share new things and new messages with you. So the message is, we do some common mistakes, that, and we feel bored. We do the same things for a long time. That's why we don't grow ourselves or can't see the improvement actually. So when you are listening, you don't need to listen for a long time. It can be 1 hour or 2 hours. Instead of listening for 1 long hour or 2 hour, you can do one things here. You can mix and match up things. What is the mix and match up things here? So instead of listening 1 hour, you can listen for 20 minutes, and after listening 20 minutes you can write some sentences from the listening history or the podcast. And after writing some sentences for 10 or 15 minutes, you can speak them out loud or read them out loud. So this is the way you can improve yourselves, and you won't be bored if you do these things actually. So this is really enjoyable and magical way to improve ourselves. And last couple of days I'm just trying it, so it's really enjoyable and it's working in a good way for us, for those who are learners actually. So the message is here: you don't need to do one thing for a long time or long hour. Instead of doing this, you can mix and match up things. It can be anyone. If you are listening a podcast, then you can say it out after listening it, or you can write these sentences. So do it and check it out how it works for you. I think it will be beneficial for you, and hope this helps. So this is the message from this session, because I gotta go to my office and I'm really ready to go to my office. So that's it. Thank you for watching this session.